Welcome everybody to Fairbrix Crypto, one of the oldest blockchains made in all of crypto. Fairbrix was coded by Charlie Lee, the creator of Litecoin. Charlie put this out in October the 2nd, 2011. And if you've made your way here to this video, you want to be part of the network. You want to be a validator. You want to strengthen and make sure things stay decentralized. We all hear about Bitcoin, people running nodes, and keeping up and making that powerhouse of full decentralization. Now that happens when you run a node. You don't have to have a full seed node. You can just have the core. You can download the blockchain, and that interacts with everybody else's nodes. And that's what diversifies it across the planet. Now here you are at Fairbrix, running that 5-minute block time, made not that far after Bitcoin. It's back, it's running, people are firing up nodes, and I'm here to show you how. We're going to try and get you going and downloading this blockchain in, I'd say, roughly 5 minutes. It's going to take you about a half a day to a whole day to download the whole blockchain. Not as big as Bitcoin, so it's not going to take you 2 weeks, but let's get on it so that way you can start downloading from the Genesis block of Fairbrix, and you can be part of the network. Here we go. You're on fairbrixcrypto.com right now. What you're going to do is you're going to come over here. That's the Discord link. You click on that, it's going to drop you in the Discord. You're going to be in the welcome channel. It's going to say welcome up here. Forget about it. You're going to want to scroll down. You're going to see mining, tutorials, support, pools. You're going to click on wallets, known wallets. It's going to bring you in here. Now GitHub, the release of the V2 core wallet. These cores are what download the blockchain. So you're going to click on that GitHub. It's going to bring you there. And here we are. We'll get rid of the extra one. And I run Windows. If you run Linux, you download Linux. So you're going to download the Fairbrix Windows zip file, okay? I'm just going to download it again for the heck of it, just to show you guys, but I'm going to have multiples in there. So here we go, 2 and 3. I got a bunch. But yes, it comes through as a zip file. So now you open up your file folder, you see this, okay? You right click it, you're going to extract all. That's going to leave you with the Fairbrix window, okay? Windows file. Open that up. This is what you're going to see right here. If you click on FX Fairbrix QT, this is what's going to fire up that core QT wallet. And when you do that, it's going to pull up a little window like this, except yours is going to look different. Mine already has the blockchain downloaded, and I'm connected to all the other nodes. You see this connection right here. I think there's probably 2 or 3. 2 active connections. All right. I think I have 3 nodes saved in my wallet. But we're going to show you how to get this downloading and connected. So you'll see it. It's a window right here. There's a little button that says hide. Click on hide. You don't need to deal with anything right now except this right here. You're going to be clicking on Windows, going down to console. This will bring up a console window. Don't mind all this stuff in here. I've already done a few things. This is what you need, okay? See these right here? That's a node. This is a node. I should have a 3rd node. Somebody might have turned their node off. That happens. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to type these. Let me show you exactly. You're going to type, I'm going to copy and paste. So you're going to come back over here to the console. This is where you tell the wallet to do stuff. Actually, you can see it right here. You're going to type this in exactly as it is. I'm going to show you just exactly what it does here. Again, I'm copying, pasting. You're going to type add node make sure you put a space in right here, and then type in that IP address. That's an IP address to a node that is running. Then another space, then the word add. Now, when I hit enter, just like that, it says error, node already added. That's because it's already running. It's already in my wallet. You will see the return response. The core wallet gives return responses to you. You're going to see this, NKNULL. That is going to tell you that it's added to your wallet. It accepted the node. When that response is what you get back, within a minute or so, you're going to see a connection. Go ahead and then add the FBX at kawaii.casa. Also, you can go on Fairbrix, fairbrixscan.com, click on network and peers. For this video, for some reason they're not populating. I'll click on it just to show you. This is the Block Explorer at fairbrixscan.com. Everything's running on the Block Explorer. Ooh, somebody's shifting some Fairbrix around right there. But anyways, over here, movement network. There's a whole video on this already, but if you click on network, for some reason at this current second, it's not populating the nodes. Yeah, I don't know why. Some sort of hiccup going on. I'm going to throw a message in the Discord, see why it's not populating. But normally you'll see a list of like 10 nodes. Matter of fact, if you go back on the video for fairbrixscan.com, you will see all those nodes on there. But let's get back to what we're into this for, and we want to be up and running. So you've added the nodes. It's been a minute. I've been talking. You have a connection now. So what you see is this window again, but with a connection. And it might say, 50 weeks left. It's not going to take 50 weeks to download the blockchain. We're literally talking a half a day to a day. You'll see the remaining blocks. There'll be a timer. I'm going to touch base real quick on just two important key items here, because you're off and running to the races already. You're almost there. All you've got to do is sit back, keep your laptop open or your PC on. This core wallet, it hardly uses any CPU. I let mine run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I put sleep mode off on my laptop. I run an older Omen laptop. It hardly uses anything, and I am part of the network. I'm adding to the strength. So back to those two crucial things I'm about to tell you. If you want to go further and be more than a fully synced core to the blockchain, you can use this as a wallet as well. Obviously, it's the Fairbrix core, but it's also a wallet. You can send, you can receive. Now, I want to make this very clear. When you are fully connected to the blockchain and talking to other nodes, it does not send any information regarding your wallet. They're two totally separate things with inside the core. The core is literally, it's talking to other peers, okay? Here we are. Those other nodes, you're connected, you're downloading to the blockchain, and then all of a sudden it starts networking out, okay? You can see the traffic. You're sending out data and you're receiving data. Blocks, transactions within blocks, things like that. You're not sending your actual balance of your wallet, nothing like that. Nobody can back hack this. This is not your phantom wallet like this right up here. Like if you interact with something wrong and click the wrong thing, nobody can drain this wallet right here. And let me show you why. You're going to come over here to settings. You're going to click on encrypt. You're going to make, this says 8 or more words. 8 is minimum. Like this is like a bare minimum thing for when these core wallets get made. Make something, 20 words long. Make it a whole song. Pick out a song. Whatever you want. Save it in triplicate. Write it in a piece of paper, rip it in half, put it in 2 different places. I don't care what you do. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, but save this passphrase. This is your encryption to your data. Your data lives on a blockchain. Your coins, your transactions, your wallet, all of it lives on a blockchain, and that's how blockchains work. So you'll understand this in a second. Put your passphrase in, repeat it, save it, write it down, don't ever lose it. Hit OK. Now, the second most important thing, you come over here, you go to backup wallet. Okay? Right here, file name, put Fairbrix data. Hit save. Now it's just a file inside your computer. Take that file, download it onto a thumb drive. Now you have the data that's inside the blockchain of Fairbrix on a thumb drive. Okay, the data of your wallet, your coins, your transactions, the history of your wallet. Not the blockchain, just the wallet side. Like I said, it's 2 separate things. You can take that thumb drive, and if your entire house burns down and you have a copy of that thumb drive inside your safety deposit box, you can take that thumb drive back out, you can download the data file, and then you can fire up a brand new laptop, put it inside a core wallet, and you're back in business. Not your keys, not your crypto. If you lose that thumb drive, your data is encrypted with your passphrase. No one can use it. They can only look at it. That's it. And it's that simple. Use it as a wallet. Keep your keys safe. Pop back in. Take a look. Don't let it shut down. I mean, if for some reason, if your computer shuts down, you can fire it back up, get this back online, and continuing the download of the blockchain. But like I said, I just keep mine running. It doesn't really use a lot. This is up to you. But you are on your way to becoming part of one of the oldest blockchains in crypto, the first fairly launched script coin blockchain, a literal foundation stone of why we're all here in crypto. So, cheers to you. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay crypto, everybody. Fairbrix is out.